Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure print borders and margins in Logic ERP. Let's take a quick look at the print preview of the bill. As you can see in this print, no border has been set. Now, let's create the border for the printing. For the same, go to Sale Multiple Printing Configurations. Select the relevant printing configuration. We need to set the border for both the header and the footer. Let's start with the header. Click on the Insert Shapes icon and choose a rectangle. Place it to form the border, then expand and adjust it as needed. Once done, save the changes. Now, repeat the same steps for the footer to complete the border setup. Next, go to the Page Formatting option, where you can define the top and bottom margins for the page. Once configured, save the configuration and view the print preview. As you can see, the sale bill printing has now been set up with the defined border. Now, click on the Options button. The first option, Font, allows you to change the font style used in printing. You can also save and export the printing in RTF or PDF format. The Printer Page Settings option enables you to configure print and page settings as needed. Here, you can choose whether to display page numbers, specify their position, and set their alignment. You can also adjust the page orientation to either landscape or portrait and modify the margins as per your requirements. Similarly, you can make use of the other printing settings available in the print preview window as per your requirements. Moving on, let's see how to print the border margin in the designer printing format. Head to the Continuous Printing and open Sale Bill, Print Designer and Printing. Select the designer printing configuration, then select the sale bill and click on Refresh. Next, click on the Design option. Click on the File option and open Page Setup. Here, you can define the paper format, set the orientation, and adjust the margins as per your requirements. Let's now change the orientation from portrait to landscape. The printing orientation has been changed from portrait to landscape. You can now drag and adjust the printing section as required. You can also adjust the margins as per your requirements. You can also change the font style of the text. Now, let's move to the Border tab. Here, you can define the frame for your print layout. Currently, the printing is set to box frame. You can select your printing frame according to your requirement. Let's reapply the box frame to the printing. You can customize the frame by adjusting the distance, increasing the line thickness, and selecting a preferred color for the frame. As observed, the changes have been successfully applied to the printing.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.